This tutorial is ideal for repairing dual-layer hard-shell foam cases constructed from polycarbonate or ABS plastic. This is not applicable for repairing silicone materials. Let's take a closer look. So right in the front faceplate there is a crack. So we're going to cut out the template. Just using some cardstock. Grab a pencil. Just gonna eyeball the shape here. Now we cut it out. Alright, let's try it out. It's a perfect fit. Let's trace this onto a piece of metal. I'm just using a piece of scrap aluminum extrusion. And I'll mark the outline. Cut this out, but first, let's install the vise. Got the hacksaw. Now we cut it out. That's done. Now we do some filing. Time for a test fit. Not quite. Looks like we have more filing to do. Let's check our progress. It fits. Now we do some sanding. Sanding is done. And now we're going to scuff the inside of the case. Just using an Alpha knife for this. And this is necessary for proper glue adhesion. Let's check the fit again. So it fits tightly, but I'm thinking I want to leave a little bit of room for the glue to flow. So time for a little more filing. Filing's done. Final test fit. It's perfect. Let's glue this together. Just gonna unclog this thing first. There we go. Now we apply the glue. I'm using cyanoacrylate, but you could also use epoxy instead. That should do it. This is it. I'll just set that in there. Down. Let's put a clamp on this. And we're done. We'll let the glue cure. A successful repair. If you found this helpful, please feel free to give this video a like. If you'd like to subscribe, I've got more videos on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.